I did a very large, very complicated Survey123 road inspections and culverts. And so I took this PDF and the prompt that I gave you that you'll be able to download. And so we're going to use this for ChatGPT. And so I'm going to close it for now. This is the Word document, and this is what you're going to copy and paste into ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy that. And I'm going to tell it, I'm going to just paste that right in there. And then I'm going to grab the FEMA report. It's the PDF. And what this does is it's going to read this form from left to right, top to bottom, page by page, so that we can, because that's how we go about in doing all of our projects. And so it's got a lot of instructions. It output formula or format, needs main table columns, repeat group columns, notes and things. And then down here it keeps going. And I put a note in mine the other day. It didn't build out the logistics, so I have one more area once this is built, if the logistics don't come over. So page 1, it's going to go column headers, choice list, and it's pulling everything out, descriptions. Yeah, it's kind of nice. And then, so it didn't build it how I wanted it this time, and we pivot a lot. So I actually have another piece. It says, in the second page, it says your AI may not do, it's like a Survey123 Connect intern, and you might need to coach it for the best results. So I added, copy. All right. And then I just said that because it didn't give me a table either.
Okay.
There you go. This is exactly what we want.
Okay.
Yes. So now we can take all of this. It did the choices in domain. It didn't really do it the way I wanted it to. See, it just changes all the time. So we'll ask it one more time. Choice list. And build the table like Survey123 Connect or in. See if that gives it to us a little better. I just told it to make a choice list and build the table like it's in Survey123 format. This is better. Damage components. Okay, so this is all of the choices. And then here's the survey tab. See, it says right there, survey tab. And then it says type, name, label, required, relevant. So it's giving us all of our logic. Facilities description, beginning group. So it's doing the groups. And then if they're like this one here is a repeat. So that's when the repeat starts. And then all we have to do is copy and paste this all into Survey123 and make sure that our choices are there. And it's going to be a beautiful start. Then we need to QC it because it did everything it could. But now we need to go QC it and make sure it grabbed everything.
Okay.
How do you like that?
Yeah, it's amazing. The things are like amazing.
Good. I'm so glad.
Yeah. So we don't need to spend a lot of time in thinking, designing. So once ChatGPT has done the stuff, we need to spend a little time on QC and the form is ready to publish.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, amazing.
And you just saved you just saved 10 hours of cut and paste.
Yeah. This ChatGPT and all AI stuffs are becoming more usable to everyone in their daily life.
Yes,
yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna stop this recording so that you and I can talk.
Yes, ma'am, please.